Planet Jupiter. Analysis.
Location.
Fifth planet from the Sun.
Size.
Larger than 1,300 Earths.
Average temperature.
Minus 110 degrees Celsius.
Moons.
63 discovered so far.
Nickname.
The King of Planets. Distinguished by its giant red spot, thought to be comprised of a raging storm of hydrogen and ammonia, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a mass 2.5 times greater than that of all the other planets combined. Impressed by its colossal size, ancient Roman astronomers named the colorful behemoth after their primary god, Jupiter, or Jove. Later philosophers attributed human happiness to the planet's power, giving rise to the term jovial. In its far-reaching journey around our sun, over 60 moons come along for the ride, including the Galileo-discovered moons of Callisto, Ganymede, Io, and Europa. But Jupiter is never in a hurry. Before it can complete just one revolution around the sun, we Earthlings have completed nearly 12.
Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. Often hailed as the king of the planets, it is so large that if it had grown much larger, it might have become a star. Compare Jupiter's diameter of 85,000 miles with Earth's diameter of 7,900 miles. Jupiter is well known for its famous red spot, which is a storm that has been raging for hundreds of years, or perhaps longer. The face of Jupiter is defined by colorful bands that are easily observed in a telescope. The exact composition of Jupiter is not known, but it is thought to be made up primarily of hydrogen and ammonia. It is believed that Jupiter has a rocky core about 5 to 10 times as large as the Earth's diameter. Jupiter has a harem of small moons, and several dozen have been discovered in the last few years. But 4 major satellites are easily visible orbiting the king of planets: Callisto, Ganymede, Io, and Europa. Ganymede and Europa are covered with oceans of ice, and maybe even liquid water under the ice. These 4 largest moons are known as the Galilean moons, as they were discovered by Galileo in 1610. In 1994, comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, which had been broken up into 23 pieces by Jupiter's enormous gravity, crashed into Jupiter.
Analysis.
Definition.
Massive system of stars, gas, and matter
Location.
throughout the observable universe.
Number.
More than 100 billion.
Categories.
Includes spiral, elliptical, and irregular.
Notables.
The Milky Way and Andromeda Galaxies.
This spiral galaxy is one of the brightest in a group of galaxies located in Ursa Major, and is part of the local group of galaxies. It is approximately 36,000 light-years in diameter. The orientation of this galaxy allows us to see almost all its spiral arms and large central bulge. Large exposure photographs show incredible detail within this distant galaxy. Through a small telescope, however, expect to see an oval-shaped hazy cloud. Lying close to M81 is M82, another member of the local group of galaxies. M81 is an excellent object for novice amateurs. It is about 12 million light-years from Earth, is 27 by 14 arc-minutes in size, and shines at a magnitude of 6.9.
Galaxies. Analysis.
Definition.
Massive system of stars, gas, and matter
Location.
throughout the observable universe.
Number.
More than 100 billion.
Categories.
Includes spiral, elliptical, and irregular.
Notables.
The Milky Way and Andromeda Galaxies.
The Whirlpool Galaxy is 35 million light-years away and over 100,000 light-years in diameter. A giant black hole is believed to lie at the center of this galaxy. Through a small telescope, look for a dim, hazy patch of light with a brighter central area. Because of the galaxy's face-on orientation in the sky, its spiral or pinwheel shape is clearly visible in photographs and larger telescopes. The giant galaxy has a small companion nearby, which can also be seen through larger telescopes. M51 is a favorite of digital astrophotographers. It's 10 by 5.5 arc minutes in size and shines at a magnitude of 8.4.